This project is basically connecting two very important cities of Bhutan. One is Gelefu. This is being developed as a mindfulness city, and second is Samtse, which is an industrial city. The two projects will take off from the network of Indian Railways at Kokrajhar and Banarhat. The investment which is envisaged at this point of time is about 4,033 crore rupees. The total length is about 89 kilometers of railway network will be created. This is the current railway network. The yellow line that you see in between the two blue lines, that is the most important economic corridor, rail corridor, connecting Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Nagaland, Meghalaya. There is a blue line on the top. That line is now getting developed as a major corridor along the northern border, and that line basically provides alternative connectivity, and it's very, very important project. So the takeoff of these two projects will happen, one at Banarhat from that blue line that you see, that goes all the way to Samtse, and the other one from Kokrajhar that will go to Gelefu. New Bongaigaon is a major industrial center in India where it is getting connected. Kokrajhar is the station, and then it gets connected to the entire Indian railway network. So in a sense, by constructing about some 70 kilometers, you get the advantage of 1,50,000 kilometers of railway network. The construction period will be about 4 years for this project. All the land schedules, everything has already been done. Very soon we will start the construction work. Banarhat to Samtse is the second line. On the existing railway line, we'll also have two small cord lines so that the movement can happen on both sides of the train seamlessly. This is about 577 crores and this will take about 3 years. Lots of goods movement which takes days today will start happening in few hours. We have seen in Mizoram, it used to take 4-5 days for a cement truck or any other goods truck to reach capital Aizawl. Now that's happening in a few hours. In case of Srinagar, we have seen that the time for goods shrinks from days to hours. So that is the benefit which will happen for Samtse as well as Gelefu. This is one of the promises we had made, and we are delivering on this promise.